Hello everyone, welcome to Infigan. In this very exciting video of algebraic challenging equations, here we are going to solve one very interesting quartic equation and we will find out solution using perfect square method. So let's get started. I will write x power 4 to the left and the remaining terms to the right hand side. So I will write 12x minus 3. That is our step number 1. Now my target is to convert this x power 4 into perfect square. So how I can write? I will write this is in general form x square plus a whole square. So once you will take this whole square, let me write here identity a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus twice ab. So once I will take x square whole square, so x power 4 is there. What is extra? I have to add to the other side also. So a square and twice ab, so 2ax square. This needs to be balanced from both sides. 12x minus 3. Now it looks like one quadratic equation. So I will arrange in the proper form 2ax square. Then I will write 12x. Then I will write constant term which is a square minus 3. Now you can think about this equation that it is quadratic in x and it is, yes it is. So we will consider like it is capital A, capital B, capital C. What in my mind, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 I will put to find out discriminant equal to 0. Okay, left hand side you have perfect square. Right hand side we are trying to make it perfect. Let me find out discriminant first. Delta equal to b square. Let me write here b square minus 4ac. We are calculating. So it will give us 12 square minus 4 times a is 2a. C is a square minus 3. Okay, if I will expand this one, then it will give us one equation, cubic equation. So let me write that equation directly. A cube minus 3a minus 18 equal to 0. Now my target is to find out a. Once we know a, it will frame the right hand side perfect square. So how I will find out a? Simply there are number of methods, means we know rational root theorem, synthetic division, everything is available. But check and error you can apply, hit and trial or inspection method also you can apply. See, I am going with rational root theorem. Plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, up to plus minus 18. So if I will put randomly a equal to 3, out of these eligible factors, if I am putting a equal to 3, it will satisfy the equation. A cubes 27 minus 3 times 3, 9 minus 18 equal to 0. That means a equal to 3 will satisfy this equation. Now you can factorize this one. You will be having a minus 3 is one factor and the other factor is a square plus 3a using synthetic division plus 6 equal to 0. Now you can see from the second bracket, we will get complex solutions. So we will forget about this. We will skip this. So conclusion is a equal to 3. Now I will put here in the original x square plus a whole square equation. So let's put the value over there. X square plus 3 whole square equal to, let's put the value of a. You will get 6x square plus 12x plus 6. What I did, I put a equal to 3 in the main square equation. Now once I will take 6 common, I will get x square plus 2x plus 1. Now 6 times, this is x plus 1 whole square. LHS is x square plus 3 whole square. Take square root both sides. So I will get x square plus 3 equal to plus minus square root 6 x plus 1. Now you can easily understand, once I will consider plus sign, I will frame one quadratic, and second quadratic will get by putting minus sign. This plus and minus I am talking. So I can write equation in two forms. See, I will write plus sign, then I will write root 6 x plus 1. And if I will write x square plus 3 equal to minus sign minus root 6, then I will get second quadratic equation. So let me write proper equation: x square minus root 6x, framing quadratic, and then I will write 3 minus root 6 equal to 0. Okay, now let's write this equation also. So I will write plus root 6x, then I will write 3 plus root 6 equal to 0. Okay, now to quadratic equation I have to only solve quadratic formula. So let me apply quadratic formula. I will write x is equal to minus b, so root 6 plus minus square root of b square, so 6 minus 4ac, 4 times 3 minus root 6 divided by 2a, so 2. Here also I will write x is equal to minus root 6 plus minus square root of b square, so 6 minus 4 times a is 1, c is 3 plus square root 6 divided by 2a, so 2. Now let us open and check which root is real, which is imaginary. So let me expand this square root term. So I will write x is equal to the very first x value. I will write it will come out root 6 plus minus square root 6 minus 12 plus 4 root 6. Okay, and denominator is as it is 2. Now you can see 6 minus 12. I will write plus minus square root minus 6 plus 4 root 6 over 2. Okay, now 4 root 6. Root 6 is somewhere around 2.5, means more than 2. So this value will be 8, greater than 6. So this root will be positive. So from here we are having two real roots. Okay, two real roots are here. Now come to the second equation. Second equation, if I will expand properly, then I will get minus square root 6 plus minus square root minus 6 minus 4 root 6 divided by 2. Now you can see, obviously square root is negative. So we know that from complex number I is equal to square root of minus 1. So I will take that I out, or minus sign out. So it will become minus square root 6 plus minus I times under the root or square root 6 plus 4 root 6 divided by 2. So here we are having two complex solutions. This method is quite easy and understandable once you are having lesser number of terms in quartic. Means x cube is missing, x square is missing, number of terms are missing, and you are comfortable to frame the quadratic in RHS. If it is cubic, then there will be, that task will be the toughest task. It can be solvable, but that would be not easy. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Take care.